Good day to everyone. I am Rosalie J. Bajo and I am from BTEL Ed 2A. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you the corporation as a business ownership. So let's start. So first, what is corporation?
So, a corporation is a legal body that exists independently of its shareholders. They have the legal authority to form contracts, lend and borrow money, sue and be sued, hire workers, possess assets, and pay taxes.
So there are advantages and disadvantages of corporation in the business ownership.
So these are the advantages: the limited liability, separate entity, transfer of ownership, and management expertise, while the disadvantages are agency problem, difficult to form, more compliance, and double taxation. The advantages in corporation. First is the limited liability. Its shareholders will only be liable for the corporation's obligations up to the value of their shareholdings or the amount of money they put into it. Limited liability companies are more appealing to investors since they don't have to pay for any obligation that exceeds their capital. Second is the separate entity. Corporations and their stockholders are also regarded distinct entities. One of the primary reasons why companies have a limited liability is because of this. Being a distinct entity, though, has other advantages. Next advantages is the transfer of ownerships. Corporations have the benefit of allowing its shareholders to transfer their ownership without limitations. Also, to allow a new partner into relationship, all of the partners must agree. Any current partner who does not approve of a new partner is not allowed to join in the partnership. The last advantages in corporation is the management expertise. This differs from partnership in which the partners are actively involved in the administration of the company, while some partnerships may include partners that do not manage the partnership. The majority of partners nevertheless have a role in management. And now we are done in advantages. Let's proceed to disadvantages in corporations. First, we have the agency problem. One of the issues with companies is that their management and stockholders are distinct. While this can benefit both the business and shareholders, it can also be harmful. A corporation's management serves as an agent for the corporation's shareholders when management's goals do not coincide with those the shareholders, agency issues develop. Next is the difficult to form. In comparison to other forms of companies, corporations are more complex to create. This is due to the fact that corporations are subject to more stringent regulations than other form of companies. The third one is more compliance. These regulations protect shareholders' interest in businesses while also being advantageous to the company. However, this may result in increased administrative difficulties and expenses for businesses. Similarly, companies may risk penalty or legal action if they fail to comply. The last disadvantages in company is the double taxation. Corporations are independent legal entities that might be beneficial for a variety of reasons, as a distinct entity must pay its own taxes. A corporation's earning can be distributed to its shareholders in the form of dividends once it has been taxed. Each shareholder's dividends are then taxed again. This means that the profits earned by shareholders through corporations are taxed twice. So, what is the purpose of a corporation? A corporation's goal is to run a legal, ethical, successful, and long-term company in order to secure its long-term success and value the growth.
So corporation plays a big role in our lives and to our society. Also, it grants us unique privileges and serves our needs. So this is the end of my presentation about corporation as a business ownership. Thank you for listening and God bless.